Hello Amazon.com, it's me, Bo Chevisu. I am delighted and excited to bring to you these bull bars after a dozen years after buying these here on Amazon. Now, first of all, extremely easy to install. You don't need to be an auto mechanic to put these things on. Now, in this particular case, this is a Toyota Tundra 2006. It has a plastic brittle bumper. That means if my wife is driving this and she gets into a little fender bender, it's gonna obliterate this entire plastic bumper. And that's like $300 or $400 worth of damage to replace that whole thing. Instead, when you put some bull bars on there, it just kind of, you don't have to worry about those incidental little fender benders, if you know what I mean. So far, it has not truly compromised the integrity of our airbags. They haven't necessarily gone off accidentally, because some people are like, well, doesn't this compromise the integrity of the entire system in there? It really hasn't, and as far as gas mileage goes, I don't even notice a difference in gas mileage. The two things that you want to make sure when installing this thing is, first of all, 2 bolts, 1 and 2, very easy. However, the license plate right here might have to be bent a little back, curved just slightly back, in order for it to fit in behind these bull bars right there. But overall, they look fantastic, they're tough, and they even have 2 little mounting ports right there for LED lights if you want to get aftermarket LED lights. But yeah, you can see the wear and tear on there, and already this has paid itself off 5 times over from my wife hitting a tree or a lamppost, and maybe even me myself, I might have hit a small animal or a child. But overall, it's just fantastic. Absolutely get this if in fact, especially if you live in a rural type place and there's just a lot of incidental things on the roadway and you don't want all those things to be hitting a brittle plastic bumper. That's it, 5 out of 5 stars.